Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we're in the home. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best compost tumblers. Say goodbye to the old-school composting bins and say hello to the Compost Tumblers, the ultimate composting sidekicks for the modern age. These sleek and efficient contraptions take your food scraps and yard waste and work their magic, transforming them into nutrient-rich goodness for your plants. With their swaggy tumbling action, easy-to-use design, Compost Tumblers make sustainability look effortlessly cool. So grab your greens and get ready to compost like a pro with the best ones on the market. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the home, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth compost tumbler in our list is the F2C Compost bin, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com is awarded a 4-batch rating. Let's talk about the F2C Compost bin's features that have us going green with excitement. This bad boy is a chamber composting tumbler that's all about convenience and efficiency. With its rotating design, you can easily mix and aerate your compost, speeding up the decomposition process. Say goodbye to manual turning and hello to effortless composting. This compost bin is perfect for all your busy bees out there. Its generous 43-gallon capacity allows you to compost a significant amount of organic waste, whether it's leftover veggies, coffee grounds, or yard clippings. Plus, its compact size fits right into any backyard or garden, making it a must-have for urban dwellers and nature enthusiasts alike. But here's the real kicker. The F2C Compost bin means business when it comes to odor control. Say goodbye to stinky compost piles that make your nose scrunch up. This bin is designed to keep those odors at bay, ensuring a pleasant composting experience for you and your neighbors. Not only does this compost bin help you reduce waste and create nutrient-rich soil, but it also adds a stylish touch to your outdoor space. The sleek design and sturdy construction make it a real eye-catcher, blending in seamlessly with your garden vibes. Now, some users have reported that the assembly process can be a bit challenging and time-consuming. The instructions provided may not be as clear as desired, requiring extra effort to set it up properly. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for small to medium-sized households that generate a moderate amount of organic waste. It's ideal for composting kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, fruit leftovers, and coffee grounds. The fourth compost tumbler in our list is the All Seasons Indoor Composter Starter Kit, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com is awarded a 4-batch rating. Let's break it down and discover why this composting kit is a game changer. First off, it's all about convenience. The All Seasons Indoor Composter is designed to fit seamlessly into your kitchen, making composting a breeze. No more trekking to the backyard or dealing with outdoor bins. This baby brings composting right to your countertop. Now let's talk about the features that have us buzzing. The kit includes a sleek and compact compost bin, perfect for urban dwellers and those short in space. Its modern design blends effortlessly with any kitchen decor, adding a touch of sustainability to your living space. But here's the real magic. It uses a unique decomposition system that accelerates the breakdown of your food waste. Say goodbye to funky odors and hello to a clean and odor-free composting experience. Plus, it comes with a handy charcoal filter to keep any potential smells under control. No more turning up your nose when you open the lid. One of the best parts about this kit is its simplicity. Even if you're a composting newbie, the thing has got your back. The user-friendly instructions guide you through the process, ensuring your composting journey is smooth sailing. And the best news, you don't have to wait months for results. The All Seasons Indoor Composter speeds up the composting process, giving you rich, nutrient-packed soil in no time. Keep in mind, though, that the compost bin included in the kit may have a smaller capacity compared to outdoor composting systems. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those living in apartments or urban environments with limited outdoor space. The F2C Compost bin's compact size makes it a practical option. It can fit comfortably on balconies, patios, or small gardens, allowing you to compost even in constrained areas. The third compost tumbler in our list is the Algreen Products Soil Saver Classic Compost Bin, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com is awarded a 5-batch rating. Let's get down and dirty with this compost bin and see why it's a must-have for all you sustainable superstars. First things first, this bin is built to last. Made from 100% recycled materials, it's the ultimate eco-friendly choice. Not only will you be reducing waste, but you'll also be giving old materials a new life. Now let's talk about its stellar features. This compost bin has a spacious capacity, giving you plenty of room to compost all your kitchen scraps and yard waste. But here's the real magic. It's designed with a clever dual-chamber system. That means you can add fresh scraps to one side while the other side cooks up that black gold goodness. It's like having 2 compost bins in one, making the process super efficient and allowing you to continually compost without interruption. It also excels at aeration. With its unique perforated design and vented top, it ensures proper airflow, keeping your compost happy and healthy. No more worrying about foul odors or a sluggish decomposition process. This bin keeps things fresh and breezy. And here's the best part. It's incredibly user-friendly. The bin is designed with a convenient sliding door, ensuring easy access to your compost and making it a breeze to add new materials. No more digging through piles of smelly waste or struggling with complicated lids. With this bin, composting becomes a seamless and mess-free experience. Just a heads up, this compost bin does not come with a built-in mechanism for easily turning or mixing the compost. While it still allows for decomposition to occur naturally, some users prefer bins with rotating mechanisms for more efficient mixing. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those who have a garden or outdoor space where they can set up a composting system. It provides a convenient and efficient way to compost organic waste right at home. The second compost tumbler in our list is the Miracle-Gro small composter, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Let's get one thing straight. This bad boy is all about convenience. With its small size, it fits perfectly in any backyard or even on a balcony. There's no need to worry about limited space cramping your composting style. Plus, it's made from durable materials that can withstand the elements, so it's built to last. The Miracle-Gro small composter is super easy to use, even for composting newbies. Just toss in your kitchen scraps, yard waste, and some compost starter. Give it a quick mix with the handy built-in mixing bars, and let nature do its thing. Before you know it, you'll have a nutrient-rich compost to nourish your plants and help them thrive. One of the coolest features of this composter is its aeration system. The cleverly designed ventilation holes ensure proper airflow, preventing any funky smells from taking over your space. No one wants a stinky compost pile, right? Plus, it helps speed up the decomposition process, so you'll have usable compost in no time. Another cool feature is the secure twist-off lid. It keeps pesky critters out while allowing you easy access to add your compost ingredients. Say goodbye to those unwanted raccoon parties and hello to a clean and tidy composting experience. Now, while the composter's ventilation holes facilitate airflow, there's limited control over the aeration process. This may lead to variations in composting speed and may require occasional manual turning or mixing to ensure proper decomposition. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for beginner composters. This model's user-friendly design and straightforward process make it easy to get started without feeling overwhelmed. The best compost tumbler in our list is the FCMP Outdoor IM4000 dual-chamber tumbling composter, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Get ready for some eco-friendly goodness that'll have you turning your kitchen scraps into garden gold. First things first, this composter is a game changer. With its dual-chamber design, you can keep the compost process rolling continuously. It's like having a composting production line in your backyard. Toss your organic waste into one chamber, let it do its thing, and while that batch is cooking, start filling up the other chamber. One of the coolest features of the IM4000 is its tumbling action. Just give it a spin and let gravity do the work. No more back-breaking turning with a pitchfork. It's effortless and efficient, just like swiping right on your favorite social media app. Plus, the tumbling action aerates the compost, speeding up decomposition and giving you that rich black gold in no time. Now let's talk capacity. This bad boy can hold up to a whopping 37 gallons of organic waste. That's like a whole lot of avocado peels, coffee grounds, and banana peels. So whether you're a smoothie-loving, coffee-addicted plant parent, or just someone who wants to reduce their carbon footprint, this composter has got your back. But wait, there's more. The IM4000 is made from sturdy, weather-resistant materials, so it can withstand the elements like a champ. Rain or shine, it's built to last, and with its genius design, it keeps critters out and odors in check. No more unwanted guests or stinky compost smells messing with your composting game. Here's what you need to know though. Assembly can be a bit of a challenge, especially if you're not the DIY type. But fear not, just grab a friend or watch a quick tutorial on YouTube and you'll have it up and running in no time. It's totally worth the small effort for the composting magic that awaits you. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for green thumb gardeners. Its large capacity and efficient tumbling action will produce high-quality compost to enrich your garden soil and promote healthy plant growth. And there you have it, folks. Our best compost tumblers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next compost tumbler roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.